Cybersecurity is one of the most promising sectors for investing in the modern world, with its intense competition, threats, and those who are trying to cash in on all this by stealing data or hacking key infrastructure. The issue of information security is one of the key ones for business and government agencies. According to Sybin Solutions, 64% of companies worldwide have experienced at least one form of cyber attack in the past year. 35% of small businesses even break down due to malware attacks. In 2021, ransomware attacks are estimated to cost $6 trillion annually. Losses from cyber attacks grow every year, as well as money spent on cybersecurity, and the trend has no sign of slowing down. When you finish watching this video, someone somewhere will get successfully hacked. The company I'm going to analyze today is CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike is a company specializing in information security and protection of corporate stations and servers. The company gained worldwide fame after successful investigations of hacker attacks on US government agencies and companies. The company was founded in 2011, and it had a fundamentally new way of information security. Instead of the usual antivirus and malware scanning that's slowing down computers, the company was focusing on the more difficult tasks of detecting sophisticated threats and specific techniques used by hackers. The founders of the company talked a lot with the representatives of large enterprise, government organizations, law enforcement agencies, and managed to understand their main problems. Giant information security budgets did not protect from hackers. Successful hacks were discovered too late and had unpredictable consequences. The hackers were unknown. The cybersecurity companies could detect them, but they didn't have solid proofs to accuse anyone. Attackers could use a foreign language, work in a different time zone, etc. CrowdStrike decided to target all of these problems and set a goal: to stop and identify hackers in a timely manner. And this was exactly what the big business representatives, civil servants, and the military needed. And this is how CrowdStrike got large companies as its first clients, securing a sustainable, reproducible income and the loyalty of the state. The company's products had unique features: automatic blocking of malicious activities, cloud algorithms that collect data, and automatic recognition of hacker groups right in the product. The company was the first to be able to figure out a hacker right away. Everyone else did it at the investigation stage. The company shows a very strong growth and is consistently beating the forecasts. The revenue is growing as well as the number of clients. According to the forecasts for the future, the trend will continue. The company should also become profitable soon, but nothing is perfect, of course. Analysts predict a further decline in sales growth, even though the growth is still huge. According to the latest Mitre and AV comparatives tests, CrowdStrike is no longer the fastest, and it's not the best at catching attacks, and it also suffers from false positives more often than others. The company understands that the ultimate mission to fully identify and stop hackers is most likely impossible to complete, and endpoint protection alone is definitely not enough for it. Experts note that the company's platform is not able to recognize all vectors of hacker attacks, and some explain the growth in sales by successful marketing techniques. Also, the company's valuation is just insane. I understand that the market became extremely competitive and no one will allow you to buy such strong stocks for an adequate price, but this is really too much. And if this makes your brain hurt, you're not alone. That's all. Thank you for listening.